This is the 5-axis machine center. That's where we make our calipers, especially the ST line, the STRs, and the ST-GT. So we start off from a billet, so aerospace grade aluminum, and we machine the calipers all the way to their finished stage. So you can see the half calipers, the piston bores, they're going to be customized according to the application. And we pretty much have a complete product. From this point on, they're going to go out for external process and anodization, depending on the choice of the customer. This is a typical work day for us at StopTech. We have a variety of different calipers. All of them have a specific work order sheets, and they are made custom according to the customer specifications. So we have 6 piston calipers, 4 piston calipers, different piston diameters. We have special calipers like our trophy line. That is one of our natural anodized states, and all the way to our STR-GT. That's our racing caliper. A lot of additional machining for weight saving, titanium piston noses, anything to protect for high temperature and fade on a racing condition. We have 2 lines of rotor machining. One is for the sport rotors, and the sport rotors are basically a one-piece rotor. We start off with the best blanks we have available, and then we can drill or slot them according to the customer preference. The other line we have is what we call the aero rotors. That's when we have a high-performance brake system. Usually we have an aluminum head, which helps to reduce weight of the total unbalanced mass. This is a perfect example of a work in progress. We have the directional slots being made. This specific example is a slotted rotor, and that will be the finished product. So the slot helps with initial bite and increases the brake feel of the cars on any kind of condition. Even if you're on your daily drive, you're commuting, or if you're on a spirited driving, that's really a very good option.